Today we shall speak about demonstrating value. I just can't hold back on the topic values, even before reaching this point, because it's just so important. Now here's a quick question. Why do you think customers buy from you? They buy based on three things: your influence, credibility, and value you are demonstrating. Why people buy from you is a form of transference of trust. They trust you, thus they buy from you. So if you want to attract big-ticket clients to buy from you, you need to gain their trust. How? Demonstrating values. In short, the more value you offer, the more trust you gain. By demonstrating values, you also put yourself up as an authority. The platforms you can demonstrate your values on are limitless. It can be on your websites, social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, forums, emails, newsletters, and so on. How does demonstrating value put you up as an authority? Think of your favorite personalities. Why do you look up to them? What did they do or say that made you put them on such high regard? There it is. What they did or said are the values I'm talking about. Here's how I personally demonstrate values in my Facebook, for example. I don't always promote my webinars or products in every single post every day. Instead, I write posts or even upload videos that provide value to my audiences for free more often. I give them tips and advice without costing them a single dime. In fact, I can actually charge them for such invaluable advice, but I didn't. So, why didn't I? I wanted to provide value so that people who engage my posts will have a wow experience, and deep inside they might ask, wow, how can this guy give away so much invaluable information out for free? Bingo. This is it. Listen, everyone that engages your post is a lead. Leads are potential clients. These are people we are trying to attract. So when they share or like what we posted, their friends can see them, and the same cycle continues. Guess what? It snowballs, meaning more leads. I'd like to call this the snowballing effect. So after 3 or 4 posts with values, I can choose to promote my product or services, and those who took notice of me will most likely be interested. For a quick example, from day 1 to day 3, I write posts about values. In day 4, I promote my products. Most of the time, this format works incredibly well for me to promote myself. Think of it as I am earning an invisible amount of money on day 1 to day 3 by providing value. And on day 4, I cash them all out, demonstrating values definitely works. However, we must also be relevant on the values we are demonstrating to our field. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you might not want to post about relationship advice. I suppose you get what I'm trying to say. Allow me to share you a tip about selling. There are 2 ways of selling. The first is the hard sell and convincing. This is the way to attract low-ticket people. The second way is to get clients by serving them before they even pay us. These are the big-ticket clients. With this, I truly hope you can understand the importance of value in your business. A business which offers no value is like a book with no content. So just remember to always create value.